Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to make payment and buy their goods from Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Just like what you see right here, these are all Pinduoduo links right here. And I decided to make a video about it and show you how to buy goods from Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do, just like what you see right here, you can see all the other screenshots right here. And these are all links direct from Pinduoduo. What I'm going to do is to exit from my WhatsApp right here. And I will go ahead and make sure I open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So allow the Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to load. So having opened up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, I have already had all the products to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to visit my profile. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to open all the carts. So here we go. We have all the products right here, just like how you find it, just like how you see it on my WhatsApp DM. So I'm going to pay for this. I'm buying this. I'm buying this. Then I will scroll down and buying this. I'm buying this. I'm buying this. And I'm buying from this store. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you can see all the products right here. Scroll down and view everything. Lastly, come down below right here and choose your means of payment. In this tutorial, I'm using Alipay. There are other means of payment right here, such as WeChat, send a friend request to pay, bank card, and a pay for me friend request. But in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here and proceed to checkout. Allow the Alipay to connect, then go ahead and enter my payment password. Now payment done, successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot proof of payment right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot of the proof of payment. Then I'll go ahead and click on done right here. I have to go back to my profile. So by the time I go back to my profile, I refresh my profile. All the order I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. We have them all right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to buy these goods for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from here. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I open up my WhatsApp right here. Open up my gallery. Click on my gallery right here. Select proof of payment and say payment done. And send. It's that simple. So if this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.